Hello, this is Rich Boltz, Associate Director with the Illinois Association of School Administrators, and I am going to be doing several short 5 to 10 minute tutorials on how to use the IASA Superintendent's Workplace. So please keep returning to our website so you could see these various tutorials that we will be doing. The first tutorial I'm going to be doing is to demonstrate how members can sign up for the IASA listserv within the IASA Superintendent's Workplace and have any posts that come to that community go directly to the member's phone or laptop or desktop via email. I assume that all members have now gotten to the point where they have received a user ID and password, and if you have not done that yet, you could contact Haley Richardson, who is a receptionist at the IASA office, and she can give you your user ID and password, and then you probably would have changed your password to a password that you would remember yourself. So the screen would look like what's in front of you, and if you click on this one, remember me on this computer, then every time that you would log into open text, you're not going to have to enter your password. The computer will remember, and then you'll be in this open text environment. This first page will contain the communities that you belong to. We have approximately 15 communities that we have put as default communities for you to belong to on the IASA Superintendent's Workplace. And one reminder here I'd like to do right now is there's a home button in the upper right hand corner, and if you're ever at a place on this web place where you don't know where you're at, if you hit the home button, that would return you to this page where you would have the various communities that you belong to. Okay, one of the 15 communities that we've made available to all members is this community that's called Listserv Current Topics. So you can see there's a number 6 in a red circle there, and this demonstrates that there are 6 posts that have been made to this community since I have logged on the last time I logged in. So if I click on that, you can see that the last post had to do with information needed on the NAIR community, or the NAIR purchasing in Galesburg. Okay, over on the right hand side, you're going to see that you don't really have to ask for an invitation to join this community. You're already in this community. But there is a button here under the Actions button that says Subscription. And if you click on that subscription, a box will pop up in the middle of your screen, and your choices are: you could email your subscriptions. None would mean that you're not going to get any of these sent to your email, and you would actually have to get onto the IASA Superintendent's Workplace in order to read what's been there. The next one is Email Me Everything. Now this means that every time somebody would make a post to this listserv community, you would get an email. And then there's another one that says Email Me a Daily Digest. This would be at the end of the day, you would receive an email of all the posts that have occurred in this community during the day. I keep this one for my own account at Email Me Everything, and that way every time everybody makes a post on here, I get it. Now, one of the good things about this listserv, and the reason we've gone to the listserv through the IASA Superintendent's Workplace, is that this information is kept here forever. So you can see all the posts that have been made through the time period in this community. In addition, any posts on the same topic, for example, this NAIR topic, it's going to show the posts that are underneath that. In addition, many times when members post on this IASA listserv, currently they upload documents, like they do a survey or whatever, and they put it in there. Well, if you click on this document tab, you're going to find that there's a variety of documents in here that people over the time period have put into this community. For example, you can see where Bradley Cox put up a laptop insurance program. Tom Bertrand put in NT teacher record form. We have Tom Mulligan has put in an email flyer here, order form. Mike Shamnes, who's our public relations person or communications person with IASA, put in an article about IASA switches to Superintendent's Workplace. So this is where you would find the documents. A lot of people are in the feed and they think the documents would be here. For example, if we go down, we'll see that there's a wiki here. Well, if you click on that, even though it looks like it's going to go somewhere, it doesn't. You have to go up here either to the documents feed or the wiki feed to see if there's any information in there. And in this case, there's nothing in the wiki feed. There is some documents in the documents feed. So this is a way of sending emails to yourself about anything that gets posted in listserv. Now, when this email comes to you, you could reply to the email via your phone, laptop, or whatever you're on, and that automatically gets into this listserv community. Now, if you want to post an idea for the very first time, you have to sign in to OpenText, get into this listserv community, and make whatever post you wanted to make. So I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to work with the IASA listserv within the IASA Superintendent's Workplace.